this video, you will be evaluating the integral of this vectored value function, ijk form. So you want to remember that to evaluate an integral of, say, n to the t, it would be simply nt plus 1 over t plus 1. So with this integral, if anytime you have a long integral like this, you want to break it up into chunks. So you'll break it up into this chunk, and this chunk. So starting with the first chunk, for 2t squared, the integral would then be 2t3 over 2. No, it will be over 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3. So this would be for the first integral. For the second integral, you would then have 1t over 1, which is equal to 1t for the second one. And then for the third one, you have t plus 3, which it would be 1t2 over 2 plus 3t. Okay? Now, what you want to do is evaluate these from 1 to 0. So for 2t, let's call this 1, 2, and 3. For 1, it would be 2 times 1 over 3 cubed minus 2 times 0 over 3 cubed, which anything times 0 is 0, so you already know this is 0. And if you want to evaluate the first one, it would be plug these values into the calculator, you would get 2 over 3. Okay. For the second one, you have 1t, so it will be 1 times 1 minus 1 times 0, which is 1. And then for the third one, you have 1. Okay, so you will have this plus 3 minus so you know 0 times anything is 0, so this part would be 0, which leaves you with only this part. And if you plug that into a calculator, plus 3 times 1, you get 7 over 2. So you get 7 over 2, which when evaluating the integral, you need to make it ijk form. So you would then have 2/3 I plus 1j plus 7 2k.